We're getting some breaking news coming in. IDF initial reports are showing that a short while back, the IDF conducted a precise strike targeting a key Hezbollah terrorist in Beirut. And this is coming in as Israeli military has said it struck a area, and the target was a militant, a Hezbollah terrorist, and the strike has hit Beirut's southern suburbs, according to the latest that we are learning of in this story. So back-to-back updates coming in right now, Republic TV. The latest is that a short while back, the IDF said that they conducted a precise strike targeting a key Hezbollah terrorist in Beirut. Israeli military has said this. It struck a key Hezbollah terrorist from the Lebanese-Iran-aligned Hezbollah group in the capital, Beirut's southern suburbs. And this is coming in as we keep getting you back-to-back updates on Republic TV now. Already the Israeli PM Netanyahu has told his cabinet before the strike that Israel would continue to fight terrorism on several fronts. So this is coming in after Netanyahu had said that we will continue to do whatever is necessary to prevent Hezbollah from re-establishing its ability to threaten us. The IDF has confirmed that a recent strike in southern suburb of Beirut targeted a senior Hezbollah leader. Israeli officials say he serves as the terror group's de facto chief of staff. He's considered the number 2 figure after Secretary General Naim Qassem. The strike in the heart of Lebanese capital highlights Israel's determination to eliminate top operatives who threaten Israeli civilians. And this is what you see right now on Republic TV. Now, the target was Haitham Ali Tabatabai. Tabatabai has long been a high-value target and was previously featured in a U.S. State Department reward announcement. His elimination marks a major escalation in Israel's campaign to dismantle Hezbollah's military leadership and infrastructure, and underscored the IDF's readiness to operate deep inside enemy territory to defend Israel's security. Hezbollah leader has been eliminated in those strikes. So this is a new update coming in, viewers, on Republic TV. Now, in November, Israel stepped up airstrikes in South Lebanon area as it is pressing a campaign of near-daily attacks, which it says is designed to block a military revival by Hezbollah in the border area. So back-to-back updates coming in on Republic TV. Israel has accused Hezbollah of trying to rearm since a U.S.-backed ceasefire last year. The group says it has abided by requirements for it to end its military presence in border region near Israel and for the Lebanese army to deploy there. So big updates coming in, viewers, on Republic TV. This is a huge update because Israel targeted Hezbollah chief of staff with the first strike on Beirut in months. So in months and months, we see that there's an airstrike on southern Beirut, the first since early June. And the office of the Israeli PM has said that the IDF struck in the heart of Beirut, targeting one of the key Hezbollah leaders. Let's go to Shravan, who's joining us. Shravan, huge update coming in. This is a update where Israel has targeted Hezbollah's key leader, and it's a strike on Beirut in months.
Well, in fact, this has come after a long time, but the Israeli Defense Forces have now carried out a strike in the suburbs of Beirut, where they basically targeted the Hezbollah leader Haitham Tabatabai. Now, the officials have confirmed that he was threatening several Israeli civilians and also top operatives, and that is the reason why he has been eliminated. In fact, he happens to be a high-value target, is what the Israelis are essentially indicating right now. And in fact, he was previously featured as the U.S. State Department in the list of the terrorists who have been named so far. Then undoubtedly, it's a major escalation that once again we are seeing in Israel's campaign to dismantle what they believe is Hezbollah's military leadership operating, and that is the reason why in Lebanon this is another major strike that has been carried out by the IDF.
Yes, we put those pictures out for our viewers where Israel has done those strikes in Beirut, but it's a very big escalation, Shravan, in the Israel-Hezbollah conflict, because we see that Israel is now trying to expand its operations beyond the border areas in those strikes.
Well, in fact, the Hezbollah leadership has been a major target for the Israelis, but given the fact that the focus was largely that is why the team has slowed down in the operations, particularly in Lebanon. But it seems that with the latest intelligence inputs that the IDF had also regrouping of the Hezbollah leadership, and that is the reason why it is an indication that once again these strikes are now being carried out, targeting some of those who have again regrouped. And this is the reason why this evening has now confirmed that they've carried out the strike. This was in the southern suburbs of Beirut, where they targeted Hezbollah leader Haytham Tabatabai. And what you can see right now from these screens, it seems that this was in a crowded area where the strikes were carried out. These were aerial strikes carried out by the IDF.
Yeah, Shravan continues to be with us. Shravan, also, the target was Haytham Ali Tabatabai, who the officials from Israel say is the terror group's de facto chief of staff, considered number 2 figure after the Secretary General Naim Qassem. So who exactly is Haytham Ali Tabatabai, Shravan?
Entire leadership structure of the Hezbollah, remember, most of them have been eliminated in the carried out here. Tabatabai happens to be one such leader who was underground for quite some time. In fact, this also indicate moved out.
Right. Okay, we'll go back to Shravan in a short while from now. But just putting on those pictures, the latest update that we're getting for our viewers, where we see the IDF has confirmed that a recent strike in the southern suburbs of Beirut targeted the senior Hezbollah leader, Haytham Ali Tabatabai. Israeli officials say he serves as the terror group's de facto chief of staff, is considered the number 2 figure after the Secretary General Naim Qassem. A strike in the heart of Lebanese capital highlights Israel's determination to eliminate top operatives who threaten Israeli civilians. Now, Tabatabai has long been a high-value target and was previously featured in a U.S. State Department reward announcement. His elimination marks a major escalation in Israel's campaign to dismantle Hezbollah's military leadership and infrastructure, and underscores the IDF's readiness to operate deep inside enemy territory to defend Israel's security. So just letting our viewers know exactly what is happening. This is a huge global update that we're tracking. Also, just adding that we're getting some news that the Hezbollah leader who was targeted in the strike has been eliminated. So this is a huge update that we're getting for our viewers right now. So just telling you that, just giving you a little bit of a context, if you're watching us right now, the Israeli military, which is the IDF, carried out airstrikes in southern Beirut, marking the first strike there since early June. According to the office of the Israeli Prime Minister, the strike has targeted the Hezbollah chief of staff, described as the person responsible for the group's build-up efforts. And the target was Haytham Ali Tabatabai. Haytham Ali Tabatabai, considered as Hezbollah's second most senior figure. We're trying to get our viewers more updates. This is a huge update that we're tracking on Republic TV, because it's a major escalation that we're seeing in the Israel-Hezbollah conflict. It's a strike which is deep inside Beirut, and it signals that Israel will be willing to expand its operation beyond the border.